si ES Bidaldia at maybe meron siyang appointment. Ang aming appointment ay pinoprocess pa. Tinitingnan pa namin kung kami ay makapasok. He is a lawyer ni PRRD. Therefore, pwede siyang pumasok. But kami, pinoproseso pa yung aming appointment.
Yes, I'm Barry from the Philippine Embassy.
Yes.
I'm here with the legal counsel of President Duterte.
Okay.
And they have any request to send the daughter of the President officially a request to visit.
Okay, was there an appointment date?
Not yet, they are following up on the visit request.
Okay, just a moment.
Yes. So the email was sent a few hours ago.
I understand, but there need to be made an appointment before I can let anyone in.
Okay,
So
so
if you can call maybe someone who's inside, maybe to make an appointment, so they put you in the system.
okay. So can you refer us to someone we can call now?
No, I don't have any numbers for that department right now.
Right.
Maybe you can, I think online or something, maybe you know somebody who can give you a phone number.
Yes.
I can't give it from here.
So what we have, and we have seen the request, is an email address. And it was
Is there maybe a phone number in the email address?
No, there's none.
Okay, you can reply maybe with the email address so they send you a number you can call.
Right. Well, I will ask because it's not from the embassy, it's from the legal counsel.
Okay.
The legal counsel, right?
Yeah, that's the only thing I can help you with right now.
Right.
You need somebody who can sign your assistant so I can let you in.
Okay. Okay.
Only way.
Okay. Thank you.
Halika na. Nakapasok man kami.
Hello.
Hello. We have an appointment with the young Prasnichi from the KSC.
Can I have your passport tonight?
Dalawa ng number ko, ano? Masa-search. Parang sabi niya, tawagan daw. Parang ilagay.
Everybody, iedereen. Spreken jullie Nederlands, Engels? No filming inside. Outside, please.
So nakalabas po tayo dahil ang sabi no filming inside, pero andoon po yung si ES Medallia at ang abogado, isang abogado at isang Pilipina from Philippine Embassy. Lahat po dito ay ABS-CBN TV5 and yung isa doon si mga Pilipinos po dito ngayon. They are getting, but kami po kumuha na rin kami, nag-email na kami, 5 ang pwedeng magkapasok. So andyan pa po sila gumagawa ng kung sino ang matawagan.
Hello. 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 Baka magkasama ako sa... Sila yung kasama natin. Oo, kasama. Ikat mo na lang. Didiretso ba yun?
Yeah, what happened?
As you
Langga.
said, so that we need to
What?
do it via on the website.
Website. What?
Who is it?
The ES Medallia, the lawyer also of the president. 2 lawyers of the president inside.
You cannot go inside?
They do same as what we do. We have to process the...
Tama ko mo Dutch na food.
Si Medallia? Pete, hold this one. Pete, hold. I got
Yeah.
inside.
You go inside? You cannot?
I said we can do the interpreter for Dutch, but they said they talk already in English. They can understand. Okay, it's alright. Sabi lang ga, aging na nako nga we can do the interpreter, but they said
Kay nangita man daw og nurse nga makasabisaya og Dutch. Kamaman ko.
yung babae kasi ang nagsabi, nilapitan ko na sila. Sinapitan ko na sila na we can do the interpreter. But they are doing the same what we are doing.
Yeah, but I am a nurse.
But
Nag-request man siya gabi.
Ano si sir?
Mo
Midel. Atoy, ayaw dala ng bag. Kaya basi masuko sila. Atoy lang si Midel diya. Sige.
Sa lang daw inon siya.
Sige. Kuha daw ata. Di sila kabalupod numero.
Right now we are speaking with the detention center itself. You are from the detention center, correct? Yes, and yes, and is there nothing in your email system on this request from Mr. One moment, Madam. So then let me just check the complete address.
Gmail address?
Hello.
You go through the door, I will give you best of there.
But the number, download na? Hindi na kuan. Is there any other password number?
Katong sini mo gani hati wala to nagkuan.
Submit.
Hindi man naman sila.
There's something wrong with the
Salo na siya.
wala. Dito man mo sulod. Nakasulod?
Wala.
Tabangay daw mo. Magaling yan ng internet. How you can do it?
Okay, so that email to the ICC detention visits email address has not been forwarded to this facility. Is that what you are saying now, madam? Right. Okay. Okay, so madam, for the legal counsel to request this institution that
Yeah, merong wrong. Merong
Here first the day, then the month, and then
so it's still the ICC.
13-3.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so we will do that. We will follow
33.
that.
It should be 13 then 3.
Yes, thank you so much, my brother.
Maybe, I don't know. Passport number. This is the number from your passport. Here, 592.
your voice. Lower.
592.
Lower the voice.
Here, it's not. This is nothing. One moment.
yung
Well,
number.
yes.
Yung telephone. Di ba may telephone tayong ginatawagan, naka-email na. Hindi, kuan na tayo ba? Naka-email, mag-email, pero they have no telephone number. Sila kailangan nila para makatawag.
Nag-try na tayo, nagtawag.
Hindi pwede.
Tawag naman.
And he's here now.
Good. This is fine.
And the man
What's next here?
and the number that he called,
Valid.
said that they have not received any.
Mark. Wednesday, March 12, 2007.
Same yung status namin nila is Medaldia with a lawyer.
This here,
What?
Giovanna.
Yeah. Okay, I'll take the call. Mamaya na, finish muna tayo. Wait, just have this one, please. So I can take the call. Okay. Maghinto muna tayo. I have to take the call.